Welcome to Greenbuild Expo. Now in its 5th year, this event is quickly growing to become the biggest sustainable event in the north of England. I'm here today to talk to one of the biggest heat pump manufacturers in the UK, Mitsubishi Electric, and find out whether the renewable heat incentive is having an impact on the awareness of heat pumps. It's clear that the renewable heat incentive is making a real difference throughout the industry, and its progress has been widely reported in the industry's press. Here we have Jonathan Cole, who's the editor of Greenbuild magazine. So Jonathan, what are your views on the RHI?
Well, I think the domestic RHI is very welcome now it's here. It took a long time to get to the point to launch the domestic RHI, which was about a month ago from the Greenbuild show. The industry in the main has welcomed it as a great way to promote and incentivise use of off-grid renewable heating technologies such as heat pumps, solar thermal, ground source heat pump, air source heat pump. And in terms of energy usage in the housing stock, it will certainly be something that can help draw down the amount of energy usage in housing. And so it is a very positive move for the industry. We've been very happy with the number of people coming to the show. I do think it's an excellent opportunity for the green building industry to get together and discuss the challenges of sustainability in our built environment. There's been a large number of seminar programs being taking place with a lot of interest, and the exhibition floor has been very busy. So overall, I think, yes, it's been a very good show.
Do you think the new build market is embracing heat pump technology?
I think the large range of options for heating technologies that are available now to the new build market is a very positive step. And some of the newer technologies like heat pumps are being embraced much more widely than they were 2, 3, 4 years ago. And as we see the domestic new build market growing, which is definitely taking place now and into the next few years, I think the uptake of heat pump technology will only continue, and it does seem to be a good technology to reduce the energy use in households.
Heat pumps are at the forefront of renewable technology in both the domestic and the commercial environment due to their ability to reduce running costs and provide a constant stream of hot running water whilst reducing carbon emissions.
We've had a lot of interest at the Greenbuild Expo here this year. We've carried out a CPD on renewable heat incentive that was recently launched on the 9th of April. We've had an awful lot of interest from commercial customers and domestic customers, homeowners, social housing associations, all very interested in what's going to be happening with heat pumps moving forward. Well, the seminar we ran yesterday was specifically on the renewable heat incentive. It was a CPD accredited seminar, and we were looking at the reasons why Department of Energy and Climate Change have introduced the renewable heat incentive, how the scheme works, what the potential payments and benefits for a homeowner or for a social landlord or private landlord could be. And we had a lot of interest from the people who attended the seminar, specifically about how much potentially they could get as a payment, and also about how the scheme would actually work and how easy it was to apply, whether that was done online, whether it had to be filled in as hard copies or not. So there seems to be a lot of people who are really interested in exactly how they can go through the process and apply for this new incentive scheme.
So specifically on the heat pump side, I understand that there's a selection tool online for EcoDan. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got an EcoDan selection tool that's recently been launched, both in app format and also in web format on our website. And the idea is it's a very simple tool for homeowners, contractors, social landlords, anybody really to use, that gives them a good idea of the potential carbon savings, the potential running cost savings that fitting an air source heat pump system could have to their property. Also, as part of that app and that web-based software, we can give them an indication as to the potential payments that the renewable heat incentive could give them for using this type of technology. So we've been demonstrating this to a lot of the people at Greenbuild Expo here, who've been really interested in using it, and because it's so simple and easy, it's actually something they've been telling us they were going to go and stand in front of their customers and demonstrate to them as well.
As the doors close on another busy day at Greenbuild Expo, it's clear that the visitors, both commercial and domestic, are embracing the challenge of achieving energy efficiency.